Welcome on MGSS YouTube channel. My dear students, again I am back with some important topics, solutions and theories of mathematics. My dear students, you have already learned integers, fractions and decimals. Today I am going to discuss CCE test paper, and first I am going to discuss CCE test paper first of the first chapter. My dear students, I have just taken the first question, and question is what must be subtracted from minus 48 to get 13. Look at the solution, and the required number is minus 48 minus 13, and it is equal to minus 61. It is the simple one. Second question has been given that product of two numbers is equal to 50 and one number is given minus 10, and this is what the other number that you have just to get, which is equal to 50 upon minus 10, and on cancellation the term, and it is equal to minus 5. So you have to divide such type of question. When product of any two numbers has been given, then you need to divide the product by the number which has been given. In the third question, it has been given in the question that the difference between a number a and minus 10 is equal to 5. So I have expressed as an equation a minus 10 is equal to 5, and this is what minus, you know very well that minus convert into plus, and this is what a plus 10 is equal to 5, and now a is equal to 5 minus 10, because plus when change the end, then you know that plus change into minus, because by transposing you know very well, and 5 minus 10 is equal to minus 5. So its answer is minus 5. Regarding fourth question, which has given in your test paper, what should be divided by minus 27 to get minus 12? It can be solved by two ways. One way is let the number be x. I have just supposed the number is x, and when this number is divided by minus 27, then it is equal to minus 12 according to question, and when by cross multiply, then you get that x is equal to minus 12 into minus 27, and which is equal to 324. So the student can attend this question only by the simple way, the required number. You have to write this statement, the required number is equal to, and you know very well that it must be the product of these two numbers, and this is what when you have to multiply minus 27 multiply by minus 12 is equal to 324. One more point you have to just keep in the mind that when any in case of division, when any number is exactly divisible, remainder is 0. So dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, but remainder is 0 in this case. So you can just simply say that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient when it is exactly divisible. And since it is exactly divisible, so we have just simply this number is actually dividend, and divisor and quotient you have to just multiply it, and its product is equal to 324. So it can be simply, you can just solve the question. My dear students, in question number 5, it has been given in the question that a is a number obtained by dividing minus 161 by minus 23, and b is the number which is obtained by multiplying 7 by 12, and you need to find out a plus b in this case. This question can be solved by this way. A, you have to find out A and B separately. A is equal to minus 161 by minus 23, and which is equal to 7. Then B you have to obtain by multiplying. You have to take the product of 7 and 12, and 7 when multiplied by 12 it is equal to 84. And when you add A and B, then its result is 91. This question can be solved by this way also. A plus B, directly you have to take the questions A plus B, and now from question you put the value. A is equal to minus 161 upon minus 23 plus the value of B is 7 into 12. You must write in a small bracket, and when you divide you get 7, and when you multiply then you know that 84. When you add 7 and 84, result is the same one, and that is 91. So either you solve by this way or this way. My dear student, now you have to just see the solution of question number 6. And question has been given minus 17 is multiplied by minus 6 multiplied by 8. When 3 or more numbers has been given in case of product, then at first you have to multiply any two of the number, then you have to multiply the rest of the number. So by grouping method you have to just do that, and it is depend upon your will. And now I have just multiplied minus 17 by minus 6. The result is 102. And again it is multiplied by 8, the third number. And when 102 is multiplied by 8, the product is 816. So its solution is 816. The next question, second question of question number 6, it has given a question which is based on the BODMAS rule. And you know that regarding BODMAS, you know very well that at first you have to do the bracket, and minus 7 is multiplied by 5, the result is minus 35. After that you need to divide. When 56 minus 56 is divided by 4, the result is minus 14. And now you have to just add, but put the sign negative, because this is the minus 14 and minus 35. And you know very well that when any two positive or negative number is added, then you have to add its absolute value and put the same sign. Suppose that both are plus, then you have to just write down the plus before their sum. And if there is a minus, then you have to take the absolute value of these two, and then you have to add both. I have just taken the absolute value of minus 14 is 14, minus 35 is 35. I have just added. When 14 is added to 35, result is 49. And by the rule, since it is the negative one, so I have just put here negative sign. When 62 subtract, when from 62 you subtract 49, result is 13. So its result is 13. The similar type of question has been given in third, that this is the question, and here multiply, plus and divide. Three different signs has been given. According to BODMAS, I have to do the calculation, division at first, and when 75 is divided by 15, result is 5. Then I have to multiply 7 multiplied by 12, 84. And after finally you have to check that 84 is added to 5, result is 89. By this way you can just solve the question by using the BODMAS rule. Solution of 7, it is also based on the BODMAS formula. and you have just to see that what is this rule says. 17 divided by 14, and you know that division operation do first. When 17 is divided by 14, result is 5, and minus 45 divided by 9, result is minus 5. So now after the first step of these operations, 5 multiplied by 3 minus 5 we get, and then we have to do the multiplication, and 5 is multiplied by 3, result is 15, and 15 minus 5 when subtract it, then we get 10. So its solution is 10. Second question is very classical. Minus 4 is multiplied by minus 4 4 times. My dear students, you have to just group it. If you take the group of 2 of this number, minus 4 is multiplied by minus 4, minus minus plus, and 4 4 ja 16. So 16 we get. Similarly, minus 4 multiplied by minus 4, 16. And when 16 multiplied by 16, result is 256. So its result is 256. In the third question, minus 1 is multiplied by minus 1. How many times? 9 times. And you know very well that when minus 1 is multiplied odd number of times, result is minus 1. And second rule is that when minus 1 is multiplied even number of times, result is plus 1. Since it is multiplied 9 times, so result is minus 1. In the fourth and fifth case, you can just check that this is the special property of 0. When 0 is divided by any number, then its result is 0. But in case of fifth, when a number is divided by 0, then it is not defined. So my dear student, I hope that you have just enjoyed this session of the CCE test paper, first of section A of class 7. So you have to just utilize and solve the question, and if you have any sort of problem, then in comment section you have to just ask your question, or only because book has been already available to you, so you have to just give him the question number, and in next video I hope that all difficult questions I solve and I explain through this MGSS YouTube channel. Thank you very much.
लेकिन लग रहा है अच्छा ही लगा।